Setting up HoneyBook for photographers involves configuring specific features to streamline client bookings, contracts, and payments. Here's a step-by-step guide. Create your HoneyBook account. Sign up for HoneyBook and complete your profile, including adding your business logo and contact information. Customize your branding. Customize email templates, proposals, contracts, and invoices with your branding to maintain a professional appearance. Set up packages and pricing. Create packages for different photography services with detailed descriptions and pricing. Create a contact form or scheduler. Set up a contact form or scheduler to allow clients to inquire about your services and schedule appointments directly from your website. Create templates. Develop email templates for initial inquiries, follow-ups, and thank you messages to streamline client communication. Generate proposals and contracts. Use HoneyBook's templates to create customized proposals and contracts tailored to each client's needs. Set up payment processing. Connect your preferred payment gateway to HoneyBook to accept deposits and full payments securely. Automate workflows. Create workflows to automate tasks like sending reminders for payments, following up after sessions, and requesting reviews. Integrated calendar. Sync HoneyBook with your calendar to manage and schedule sessions efficiently. Test and launch. Test your setup to ensure everything works smoothly. Launch your HoneyBook setup and start accepting bookings and managing client relationships effectively.